Swing the GT2 RS's door open and you'll notice a surprising heft despite the extensive lightweighting elsewhere. Unlike the 918's surprisingly wispy doors, the RS retains its stout 911-based crash structure. It does, however, use nylon strap door handles, a hat tip to RS models of yore. Getting seated involves a bit of a posterior dexterity. It's almost impossible not to fall into the deep bucket seats with an ungainly flop. Once in place, the cockpit exudes a sense of functionality trimmed in Alcantara. Lots of Alcantara, from the steering wheel and gear selector to the headliner, seats and door panels. US cars can't be legally equipped with a roll cage, but cars purchased through May 2018 can be ordered with a stereo delete. After then, all vehicles will be legally required to have a backup camera and, in this case, a navigation screen. AC delete is another no-charge option. The ignition key turns with your left hand, a tradition Porsche has adhered to despite the ubiquity of engine start, stop buttons, and the flat six growls to life through a titanium muffler. Since the RS is always in track mode, Porsche drops the familiar Manettino-style dial from the wheel. The only powertrain settings on this rear-drive monster are PDK Sport, Stability Control Off, and Stability and Traction Control Off. If you're into even growlier sounds, a Sport exhaust button frees further decibels via a tailpipe flap.